Right now we have 45 in downtown Boston, Worcester at 40 degrees, a few 30s as we move inland. So orange right now at 39, Pittsfield at 39 degrees as well. But the overall feel of the air is quite a bit milder. That's not only because of the thermometer, but also because the winds aren't quite as strong either. We do have a few clouds moving through for this morning. These clouds are actually helping to serve as like a blanket. That is why temperatures are a bit warmer for this morning, because we do have those clouds in place. Yesterday morning at this time, our skies were completely clear, and that's why many of us dropped into the 20s. We actually saw wind chills down into the teens. So there's those wispy clouds that are moving through right now for us, but we're getting in on some sunshine for later today with that nice west wind pulling in that sunshine from the west and those mild conditions as well. So nice climb in temperatures, about 10-degree jump this afternoon. High pressure will keep us sunny and keep us dry throughout the forecast today and even tomorrow as well. Next storm system, that's down to our south, moving into Florida and Georgia. This rain is something that will be moving up the coast as we head into your Tuesday. That's our next chance of rain here locally, and it's something that could bring a good amount of rainfall to coastal locations. Here's a look at the latest projections, and you can see half of it as we move inland, but right along the coastline, closer to an inch of rainfall is projected, especially moving on to the Cape, and especially as we move into that late evening forecast for Tuesday into Wednesday as well. This is something we're watching closely because not only do we have this rain moving in, but we also have the super moon tonight and tomorrow morning, which will cause high tides. We're talking about king tides, actually. And so this is something that could bring some coastal flooding. The best impacts as far as coastal flooding look to move in on Monday morning, Tuesday, and also for Wednesday afternoon. But keep in mind, we also have the rain moving in on Tuesday. So this is a larger area of concern as we move into Tuesday late morning to early afternoon. A very high impact as far as that high tide and the chance of some coastal flooding for coasts that are right along the coastline, especially some of those low-lying roadways. That's also something we have to consider as far as our drought monitor. Even though, of course, the coastal flooding will be an issue, our drought is still an issue as well. Some of this rain will be beneficial as we do see extreme drought, especially along Mass Pike, moving northward toward the North Shore still as we move into the forecast ahead. Here's that 7-day. So we do see sunny skies for today and tomorrow. That rain moving in on Tuesday, and then the rest of the forecast, we see that sun actually breaking through. The warmest temperature actually looking to move in on Monday before cooling down into the 50s Tuesday, but it won't be long before we warm up again.